tired of trying different remedies for curing cough? This drink will work as a magic for all your cough problems. It is made with some very basic ingredients. You can easily make it and cure your cough. Take a glass of pineapple juice. Honey. A relief for your sour throat, add honey in the juice. Squeeze the lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, as it is natural antiseptic that helps fight infections. Cut the slices of ginger and add it in the juice as ginger boosts immune system. Mix well and it is ready. It is very good for your health and will heal your cough within 2 days. Take a cup of tea or cup of green tea. Cut the lemon and add few drops of lemon juice in the tea. Now cut the ginger into slices and add these in the tea. Now another remedy to help you out if nothing's work. Take fresh juice of pineapple juice. Now add honey and some mint leaves, mix it well and it is ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Two magical cough remedy for winter. You can help ease a cough by following this cough curing drink. First, take a glass of warm milk. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Honey alone can be an effective cough suppressant. You can also take lukewarm water and then add honey in it, mix well and drink in the morning to cure sore throat and cough. These are very effective for all your throat problem and will boost your immune system. This minimalistic juice will help your immune system and decrease inflammatory symptoms. Add 2 to 3 apples. Fresh juice is rich in nutrients. Fresh carrots for fresh juice that is also rich in flavors and healthy. Beetroot that helps cleaning your blood. 2 to 3 beetroots are enough for juice of 1 glass. Add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of ginger juice. Garnish with mint leaves. Mix well and it's ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing recipes.